Hey everybody, it's me, Happy Yellow Chick. You can follow me on everything Happy Yellow Chick with one Y, including on Xbox One. For you other whores, I'm on PlayStation 4 as well. Check out my website, happyyellowchick.com. Hashtag support. I'm out.
See? You wanted to fuck with me, huh? You wanted to fuck with me, huh? This what you want, sound? This what you want. Alright, I got you. I got you. I get 'em. I get 'em. I get 'em. Look. Sound them think I sound the best. I'ma show them the proof is in the pudding. When I give quality a quality ass whooping, black man foot in your ass, starting to feel like reparations. Been in prison for years. That just sound like you racist, but I ain't here for that. I'ma just prove that I'm the best when I get rid of Derek from American History X, who goes on meth binges and never have sex. No skills for a job, so he think Nike when we speak about checks. Give up arms or fold you, I dare you to flex. Know you won't pass the guy, but I encourage you test. Think you got courage, you cowardly, dog at best. Oh, yellow treatment, take him out back and put dog to rest. They gon' have to check for sound or waves or equinox. Gun volume so big it'll pop your speaker box. Get amplified and leave with amputations. You'll need doctors and nurses once you turn to a patient. Calamine itching to kill you. I'm so rash and impatient. Like I couldn't wait to get this sound on stages so I can show the whole world what's really up. Double cup, I get active and sound gets screwed up. Unfortunately, that's just how the world go round. I make your death sound beautiful. Peep how I engineer sound. I'll put an end in the sound. He'll need a rev like an engine in sound. When I turn left, sound really go down. Or I knock him in a coma. That means sound asleep or sounds asleep. Either way is perfect to me. Cause when it come to these styles, I got plenty. They say I'm the NEO cause I put O's before any meaning. I killed you, nigga. Don't feel sorry. But Travis, he's next. All I do is catch vibes. Also keep it real, you niggas live for size. They wanna kill you, but I couldn't let it pass. God is dose.
Y'all wanna see a dead body? Watch this. Straight shots like a whiskey double and C double like his name is double. I heard you working with the 12 like a Brady huddle, so I'm put you in a box, I'm a Brady bunch of bitch. I don't give a fuck about your mainly buttles. I'll rape your mother and make her eat the cuddle. The animals getting caged and muzzled. Why? I don't teach you the nation kung fu with sensei bars off the chain like nunchucks. You dumb fucks, you little rain like puddles. Still stainless and racist, rust proof. The blade will cut through all your facial muscles. I'll punch you in the grill until it breaks the front tooth. No catch, just embrace it. Fuck you, I'll hit you with a little whip. Piece of 1, 2, hungry, I wait. Taste these knuckles. I ain't discriminating, hate who loves you. You fake fugazi and imitate what cunts do. I go war with the rage of sun suit. Gangbang and over all shorts is what's new. One call's all it takes to touch you. Grenades, 20 sons, play police to rubble. Made the trouble in slaves, I'm doing the snake. You rumble, stomach pains, no hustle. Hold up, you hold up, this a hold up. I'll leave the bullet, hold up. People see the hold up. Shoot you while you bathing in blood, flip the hold up. Might just put a price on your life. You know a hold up, you a hold up. And your flow sucks. It's a battle and you, I said so what? You better watch how you talk to roll ups. The block I'm kicking it, like show enough. I'm smarter than fifth grader. No, Indiana doesn't get paper. No, grip fits and equip blazes. He's lying on his dick like his bitch ain't a. Yo, you beating me, that's impossible. Out of order, that's inoperable. Fat lady singing that top of tunes and suicide, that's what you want to do. Off the move, but I'm off of you. CC, before you go, I gotta talk to you. As soon as I see C walking through, I'ma make CC what not to do. I'ma make CC what doctors do when they all CC in the hospital. And his friends CC when they watch the news. I don't even see C as an obstacle. That's a C double, what do I see through the new seashells like those seafood? So as I see you, when I see you, morphine, IV, shit, bag, V2. Cat scan came back to a pussy. I got your wife trying to show me a pussy. Kinda nice, but it's moldy and bushy and stuck in a pubic hair somewhere I see you poop. I ain't not the one to play with. I ain't the god of this whole shit, amen. I ain't the god of this whole shit, amen. Brains on the pavement, your body adjacent. I'll leave you locked in the basement and let little fat man fuck you from Craigslist. If you call me a racist, I may just give you the MJ facelift. But yeah, I choose to beat on me, dog. Being on the beyond, shining like I'm neon. Might go off around cold like Freon. First verse back to you, the black Celine Dion. What type of lean you on? Conflicts, why you tossing me the easy ones? This easy win, he's completely done, he's fucked, none of y'all even greased him up. G's up, get down and get beat up. CW couldn't even roll my weed up. Fuck your couch, I'ma kick my feet up. Fuck your spouse, watch Full House reruns. Work all the peanuts, shit coming out of her mouth and now you know it's these nuts. You don't wanna see the soldiers creep up and whack send birds to Jesus. And that's word to Jesus, now run that back, now reverse the thesis. Why is Jesus send birds to me when I've always left them in emergencies? Either that or murder scenes in the first degree. It's final courtesy, no courtesies. Low voltage and broke, no currency. If you can't bow down, just curtsy, see? I'ma get old with the tree. Get the reread, see red, split the scene. No Moses, don't just know your history. I am a different species, not a different breed. Guitar strings won't rip with me. Put a knockout every time I hit the scene. Mr. Cleaning bras, mouth Listerine. Just there, no bush, that's glycerine. Even though you getting ghosted by me, your death certificate will say COVID-19. You ain't got the juice, we know you high C. You wanna chop it up? I hope you dicey. Your soul can be sold and you know it's pricey. Beholding you dome, I'm exposed and licey. Control like remotes and I'm cold as icy. Frozen icy like a bowl of ice cream. I'll stab you with a broken eye beam so precisely. Looking up the live stream. Who wants smoke in a bits when I agree to just smile me a boatload of Visine. I bet you wish you feel just like me. Look, I am your father now, good for mine. Look, I am the kept the dick since high season. No one likes me because no one's like me. C. It's quality. Fuck you.